better, Olivia?
Is that vanilla and
You
chocolate?
chocolate?
It's the vanilla and chocolate fingers.
Ooh, you got the best of both worlds. She's
You take
happy.
video?
Hey, sweetie, honey.
I think that'd make $10,000. We could send it into the show.
You need to get your video. Here, say that. This is like, sit down.
Olivia, which one's better? Which one tastes better?
Chocolate
Or vanilla?
Your parents don't feed you enough.
Oh, you tell me. She eats like a little starving child. Wait until she got some tea. That's got
And I think this activity won't be.
Well, now it's quicker between
Oh,
the
do I want this
two.
one? Nope.
Make up your mind, Olivia.
Doesn't taste so good.
Does one
Maybe
have
this one.
barbecue sauce
No,
on it?
Nope.
She likes the right hand better.
And the other one has
Maybe I'll try it again.
potato seasoning.
Nope.